And a 7-foot ladder is placed against the building. If the base of the ladder is 3 feet away from the building, how far up the building will the ladder reach? Round the answer to the nearest tenth. Okay. So again, one of my famous drawings. We got the building right here. We got a 7-foot ladder, so it doesn't really matter where you place it against the building because it wants to know how far up the building it will reach. And while it's not proportional, this is 3 feet away, so we get a right triangle like this one. Okay, so again, we're looking for how high up. We'll use H for that. Up the building, this ladder will reach when the base is 3 feet away from the building. So that's 3 feet right there, and this is a 7-foot ladder. All right, so a Pythagorean theorem would take the height of this building and the 3 feet away it is from the building, this ladder, and would square those and add them to get the hypotenuse, which in this case is the length of the ladder, 7 feet, but we're going to have to square that as well. So those two added together as squares would equal the hypotenuse as a square, which is the Pythagorean theorem, because this will create a right triangle right there. Alright, so 3 to the power of 2 is 9, and 7 to the power of 2 is 49. And yeah, it looks like we're going to have to round this one to the nearest tenth. So I get h to the power of 2 plus 9 equals 49. And further evaluation on this one would just subtract 9 from both sides to zero that out. So we got h to the power of 2 equals 40. Last thing I need to do is just square root both sides to find my height on this. Now it does want us to round to the nearest tenth, so finding the exact value won't work on this one, which I think would be 2 square root of 10, but we don't want that one. So I'm just typing in my calculator, square root of 40, and I push that double arrow button. It's 6.324, but since it wants it round to the nearest tenth, 6.332, rounding to the nearest tenth there, the 2 is not going to affect it. It's just going to stay a 3 right there. But again, don't forget to label this. It's going to be in feet on this one. So the height of this, or the ladder, will go as high on the building as 6.3 feet, at least when it is 3 feet away, when the base of it is 3 feet away from the building.